Have you ever told a guy you like him first?
Yeah. No, but I think I'm going to.
Oh! Yes! 1 second, I think I know the guy she's talking about.
I did not expect that. Okay, like this is damn. You guys now they're club.
I knew it.
I think it's real.
So I was like a help. We'd be in my room.
Oh my god.
At that time, yeah. So
Shut up!
I did.
Oh my god, that's not okay.
Very emotional.
Like head buzzing.
So I'll tell you guys how I've asked out my girlfriends. You guys tell me if it's romantic or not. The Lord.
What is the Lord?
Yeah.
MxM. Like, share, and subscribe.
Keep my feet straight ahead as the last stop flies by.
Don't read the question.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing asking these girls uncomfortable questions that guys are too afraid to ask.
Hi, I'm Priya.
Hi, I'm Alina and I'm feeling really cold.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Yeah.
My hands are...
Question 1. What are your thoughts on FWB? Speak also, but not in the
I don't think it's for me. Yeah, no, same. I've tried it, it didn't work.
I just end up catching feelings, which is not good.
Yeah, and I get attached to easily.
Same.
Same, but different. But still same.
So for you, like doing anything sexual, you cannot remove the emotions from it?
I'm very emotional.
Same.
I just end up hurting myself. Or the other person.
Yeah.
Next question, do you guys believe? I was expecting a bit more. Next question, do you guys believe in falling in love? I'm assuming yes, because you said like
Yes,
no.
yes,
Yeah.
bestie.
But is that like the goal, or right now do you guys just want to enjoy?
There's no goal. There's no goal. Like, I want to
fall.
fall in love by 2021 and otherwise. But if you meet
Yeah.
someone you like
Yeah.
and not hit it off, then like.
But there is definitely, love exists.
No, but like I intentionally run away from it.
Is it because you think you're gonna get hurt?
Yeah. I mean,
Your
it's-
past relationship.
yeah, this is my past relationship. So initially it was like get a girl, fall in love. Now it's like as soon as I think I'm gonna get feelings, then like.
But maybe you'll find someone that you will.
Yeah, like this is damn. You guys now they're
I want you guys.
guys have one bad relationship and they're like love.
I had 2 horrible relationships, like 2 really toxic.
And you're still like you have the willpower to still go.
I dated for 2 years.
Yeah, like you
You need a
move
break.
on,
So
yeah.
I've moved on.
I'm so tempted to look at the question.
Can I say something? I am.
I knew it. I'll memorize them. Give me 5 minutes.
I really want to. No, fine, we won't.
Okay,
we won't.
okay, even I will.
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay, let's look there.
Okay, next question. What do you guys think about a girl asking a guy out?
Yeah.
That's normal.
I wouldn't because I do not have the guts.
Same. I would want to, but I feel like
Fear
I
of
couldn't.
rejection?
Yeah, fear of rejection major. Yeah.
But
Have you guys ever asked a guy out?
Not yet, no.
Have you ever told a guy you like him first?
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. No, but I think
No?
I'm going to. Oh! Yes! 1 second, I think I know the guy she's talking about. Shut up.
Honestly,
Say it.
first on the MxM channel. Oh no.
I did not expect that.
But for sure, like guys love it when a girl like has the confidence to do anything first.
But then how do you know if you're pushing it or not? How do you know if a guy is pushing it or not? Like, I don't see that. There should be no discrimination between a girl and a guy when it comes to that. Like, I feel like if your feet slow down. I think it's okay. It's scary though. It's scary for
Personally,
Scary
yeah.
for both sides.
Scary for both sides.
I'm scared, but I would never. Actually, I have.
But never tell the person first. Really?
No, I have once. Asked out, I have.
So that means otherwise girls have told you first. That's cool, bro.
Yeah.
Very cool. for me,
Yeah.
I
See, so it's
Yeah.
really normal.
Forward
Yeah.
thinking. It's not even forward, it's normal thing. Really?
When do you guys get serious about a guy?
The second I smile at his text, I'm like, oh sh. I'm in trouble.
But that's not serious. That's like infatuation. No.
Like I'm waiting, like you know those butterflies that you get when you like get a notification from that person. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gone.
I think it's
Wow.
real when you meet the parents, or I think it's real when you actually sit down and not just casually have an actual conversation about the future. I don't know about the parents part because I make people meet my parents initially only because I don't like lying to them.
So meeting your parents doesn't mean like, you know, like Rishta type.
Hi, exactly.
Normally-
No, like if you're just having a fling or something, you
I
will.
thought you were.
What?
I thought she was reacting. I think I caught her
I'm
reading.
trying to help him, but you're showing it to me.
Go on, Ananya.
Like maybe like go for dinner with your parents or something like that. Like maybe actually get your parents to get to know him. Not just like, oh, this is this and this is this. Like I know what you mean.
What if your parents don't like the dude?
I wouldn't. I need my parents to like it.
You have to think 5 steps
Ahead.
Or like yeah, nice and fun and games, but what happens when things actually escalate? Like there's just not 2 people then.
Yeah.
There's the whole family behind.
No, I think it's the person. If the family is really nice to you and they're good to you, then that's just the added bonus. I still think it's the person.
Date someone that does not get along with at least my parents. Like forget the
Definitely.
like
Or just run away.
no.
No.
Run away.
Run away.
So easy.
He's trying to get some
Crime that's one episode.
Run away.
और याद रखें सही वक्त सही कदम सतर्क रहें जय हिंद
Would you be okay if your girlfriend came and asked you, you love her, she loves you, parents don't like her?
No. She has to love my mom at least. Like they need
Yeah,
to be best
I
friends.
think that's 4 of us.
Next, who should pay on the first date?
Split. That's it. Split. That's it. Split.
I do
That's
not
it.
agree.
Why?
I think
The
just
girl should
like like first date, no, just to follow tradition, first date the guy can
A lot
pay.
of people
No,
think
that-
that way.
So this is like nothing to do with like how much they're making
Or otherwise,
yeah.
who's in like
There's-
charge or whatever.
yeah,
But
If-
yeah.
Can I say something? I think
No,
it's
you can't.
whoever. I think if I'm asking you,
Oh, yes, yeah.
then it's on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
I
because
asked
you
you,
know,
Should I tell you guys a story? I don't know if I'll put this in, but I'll tell you guys anyway. I used to date this girl. Wherever we used to go, she always had to bring her Didi along. So I was like her help. So everywhere, she used to come over, we'd be in my room, Didi used to sit outside. We used to go for movies,
Shut
Didi
up.
used to come. 3
For
seats
the
we used to
movie?
get. For everything.
She used to sit
For
with you or
everything.
separately?
We used to make her go sit separately, फिर आता Didi.
my god.
And
How
at that
old were
time, at 9th grade, so I was like 14, 15. So yeah, and at that time I used to pay for everything because it was like just a
So
thing.
even for the Didi?
Yeah, so
Shut up!
I dated her for a year and a half and I've paid for 3 people. Not 3 people. Every time.
Oh my god, that's not okay. You weren't even
Because-
making money, like you were a student, you weren't making
My parents were
Draw money
giving.
from your parents.
Parents were giving.
Parents were giving. I was taking.
What do you tell your parents? I need money for me, this person.
No, I-
I think there's one exception where if one person is older by a few years, I think they should pay. It could be the guy or the girl. If like
Every
the
time?
person-
Maybe
No,
if they're
the
financially
first time.
independent. I still feel like it should be Dutch.
Even same. I still
Same,
feel
Yeah.
like
but
that.
because
Maybe
I've
I'm
been through this
first time.
DD thing, so same.
Dutch in 3 ways.
He's had so many dates with me. So many.
What's Didi's name?
It was.
Now when we talk about your exes, we can say
Next, why do girls go to the washroom in groups?
It's just company and fun.
yeah, we did
Like I'm
pictures
to the
and all
washroom.
also.
You wanna come?
But sometimes at a club also it's because you don't want to go.
You don't want to bump into
I don't want to
someone
walk alone and then
and be in an uncomfortable situation with someone, so you just have some company.
No, even safety wise.
Like, yesterday, literally this happened yesterday, one of my friends outside Palladium, some guy came to her randomly saying,
I like your legs.
You remember the guy when we were leaving Geo? He yelled that crazy. Oh my!
There was this one guy, he started talking.
Where
I
were
was
they?
like- like they were near the Christmas tree taking pictures.
Twirl.
I thought you knew that guy, like the way he was talking to her. Okay, like Ria's like talking to someone she knows. And then when that guy walked away after he said bye or whatever, he yelled.
He fucking screamed,
What did
bro.
he say?
I made yeah, bro, you're f***ing pretty man. or something.
Why did he yell?
Pretty.
He
And
could have
yelled
told
it.
me.
Like half of the floor could hear it.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, now I don't think Ria knows that person.
Like, oh, you know, you're really pretty. I love your
Yeah.
content. Okay. Then you walk away. And, oh, you're f***ing pretty, bro. Like, relax.
Is it not
Very
sweet?
sweet. That's not sweet.
I just thought romantic gesture.
no. That's the thing. Guys feel like doing something like this would be romantic. It would be if you use the right words and if you know the person.
Yeah, if you know the person.
That's a different thing. Screaming, you're
I-
pretty.
Yeah. Alina and I both froze. I was like,
I
what?
ran to Ria. I'm like, do you know
So I'll tell you guys how I've asked out my girlfriends. You guys tell me if it's romantic or not. I've done some really cheesy things. First was I emptied her class fully and like set some stuff up. The one was a puzzle. I made her like make solve the puzzle. She did it and the puzzle was a photo of us and it said like, will you be my girlfriend?
That's cute.
That's so sweet.
And then-
Approved.
Yeah.
Next was I made like placards, small cards, and every page had like something nice written about her, and I was just so I didn't speak at all. I just told her to nod.
Mahir,
Oh my
I
god,
love
what? That's so cute.
How old
Yeah, how would you?
Fully lying. Huh? The next question: how bad do period cramps hurt?
I think it's different.
Very bad.
Very
I can
bad.
tell by the reaction that it's different.
Person to person. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Sometimes you don't get cramps.
No.
Alina.
Same.
But
Seriously.
not that bad.
I'm just in pain.
How can a guy help?
Yeah. I don't like talking to anyone.
Don't piss us off.
I would say
Don't
keep
do
your
anything.
Yeah, keep your distance.
Like 1 minute I could be like, you're my world, I love you. And the second
Yeah,
minute,
yeah,
I
fuck
hate
you. Yeah, same.
Get out of my life.
And I eat a lot.
I just wanna like lie on the bed and
And I'm just like a dead person.
oh my god, it sucks.
One day off for everyone per month for periods. Really?
When you plan a beach day or a pool day and you get your period.
The last dance video I shot, that was the second day of my period.
Explains a lot.
What did he say?
Oh, yeah.
That explains a lot.
Just joking.
It's her choice.
Next, what are your thoughts on nudes?
Never been a fan. Like if you wanna keep it and take it for yourself, take it and keep it for yourself.
That you would.
Like I personally wouldn't, but if someone else wants to, it's an advice, hide your face.
But Snapchat was created for nudes.
Cool.
that's how
No, that's
Snapchat
just
is.
no. I don't know. I like Snapchat. Don't say
Now
that.
it's totally fine. Then you
But then people
have to trust the
people
like other
do this.
person a lot.
Yeah.
to send it,
Yeah.
And
You
always
can take
delete if
pictures.
you're like not together.
Would
That's
you
what I
trust someone to delete? Yeah, would you trust someone
Yeah,
to
I
delete?
deleted.
You're a good guy. You're a nice
You
dude.
know,
So that's what
I
someone
would
you trust.
someone.
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
you trust.
I'm saying trust is a very... Imagine you must have broken up with someone for trust issues only, maybe, who you trusted. So then how do you trust them?
You never.
Okay, and I, wow.
Yeah,
Think
you know
about
that-
it. Half of the people must be breaking up because of breach of trust. So how can you say that the person you sent it to is trustworthy?
Yeah, understood.
Person is a genuinely good person, then Mahir is just like, I should not have done this video.
I have been faithful. I have deleted.
Wait, okay, don't put this in.
I'm not putting most of this in.
Delhi boys.
Like, Delhi boys are
Next, after meeting a girl, should you immediately send her a follow request?
yeah.
Wrong people, you can follow.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah.
Next, how should you say hello and goodbye on the first date?
Think a hug.
A side hug.
A normal hug also.
Yeah.
Patting.
I think if you guys have been talking for a while
For a
and
very
you're
long
really looking
time.
up to the date, then like give proper
Yeah,
hug.
proper hug. Yeah,
Like
proper
hey,
hug,
stick
yeah.
and
Give
and goodbye.
Depends on how the date went.
Yeah. It really depends on how close you are and how the date
Yeah,
goes.
I still think a good hug would
Is
help.
it like a first date where you've been talking on like
First time you're meeting us.
First time you meet.
First time you're
And
meeting.
how long?
Not too much, but like a nice passion.
Maybe you can kiss on
That I do all the
Yeah,
time also.
kiss on her head.
Yeah.
Kiss on a head is too romantic.
No, like not forehead.
Like
if
forehead
the date
kisses
went
are so
not forehead,
romantic.
like this, like
over
bye.
here, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like after you hug her. Depends on how the date went. Yeah, please don't take it.
Read
far.
your
judge
date.
judge the situation.
Next, do girls lie about being on their period?
I don't.
No, I haven't. I have to like pee and stuff, but
Being like, I'm on my periods when I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done.
But like what?
To get out of a plan or something.
Yeah. To like bunk tuitions or something like
yeah,
that.
same.
Some couple will be watching this and the trust issues thing we talked about. This is very expensive.
And also, don't put this in, but also something.
What? Last question. Does it matter if a guy has too much body hair?
No.
Like let's say like a lot body hair.
What is the
Okay.
Anil Kapoor.
Yeah, Anil. Is it not Anil Kapoor?
What?
Is it not Anil Kapoor?
Whatever, yeah.
Whatever, yeah.
Whatever.
Like yeah, let's say like Anil Kapoor.
I like preferences, but no one is like a straight yes or straight no because
Yeah.
of a trait.
Yeah,
I agree. It's material and it's not the person.
You date a guy who's 4'11".
4'11".
Hmm.
That's shorter than me.
See, it's
What happened to your materialistic?
1 second. That is a very, very important trait.
What? Being down?
Where you can remove. Being short is just some people will be okay with it. I am not.
True.
If you really have a problem
Yeah.
with it, you can just tell them.
But like, you know how when people have what is this? What is a lot? You know how people have types? Like height goes into a type, but
Yeah.
body hair it's not
Yeah,
like
it's
oh
not-
I want a tall guy with less.
Does
body hair.
facial hair count?
Do you prefer guys with facial hair?
No.
So
No,
like you like
it's not a do or die.
Like, I
guess
just
it depends on the personality.
No, I don't like.
Maybe not like a full
But
blown.
I like a stubble.
It's been your boy.
So it's
Yeah,
a
like
big
that.
joke. Join Team MxM and always remember, why do it alone when we can do it together. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And until next time, it's been your boy.
MxM. Bye. Done now. Yeah.